Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the cement concrete part which consists with 1:3:6 ratio with brick ballast considering the whole first. Okay. Then we consider the chamfering person. In the case of considering the whole, we consider from the bottom of the plaster cement concrete to the chamfer person. Then we consider the chamfer person only. Okay. So the number is 1. The length also same 30 centimeter. Then we going to the breadth part. How can we define the chamfer person breadth? Here the chamfer person breadth is not equal. The chamfer person is consist with some angles. Here this point to this ending point distance is how much? The distance is 265. Then this point to this point distance we don't know. So first of all we calculate the total value by putting the average of this one. So first of all we consider the total value from this sample point to this sample point 265 plus from this point to this point is how much? The 265 the 26 so is equal to we consider the average only, so half into 265 plus 265 minus 30 for what? We know the chamfer person is the angle is thickness is 15 centimeter here provided, 15 centimeter here provided, so the both of side we consider 15, so the total distance is 30. We deduct for 10 chamfer person from what? From 265 we subtract the value 15 and 15 for both sides. The total value is 265 minus 30. So the average we consider, the average value is how much? Half into 265 plus 265 minus 30 is equal to 250. So the chamfering person average value is 250. Then the height is how much? The height is given here. How much? The height is the chamfer person height is 15 centimeter. The height is 15 centimeter is provided. So the total distance is how much? The 1 into length 30 centimeter into breadth 250 centimeter into height 15 centimeter is equal to 0.113. Okay. The unit is meter cube, or we can write here cubic. Okay. Then we are going to the deduction part. The whole part we consider. We consist the chamfer person also. So we are going to the deduction part. The deduction for what? Deduction the total person. The cement concrete is not provided in the pipe surface because the pipe person is surface is opening na for waterway. Okay. So provide the water. So for the pipe person we deduct the cement concrete is provided from which place? From half of the pipe. Then the half of the pipe person we deduct from the whole cement concrete part. So here the pipe is how many numbers pipe is provided? 2 numbers. So numbers 2. Then the diameter, the length of the pipe is how much? Length of the barrel is how much? 30. The length is 30 provided. Then we know the half of the area or half of the circle area formula is what? The pi by 4 into d square. Right or wrong? Pi by 4 into d square. So we consider the half. So the half into pi by 4 into diameter square. Right or wrong? Half into pi by 4 into diameter square. But here the pipe half person, the cement concrete wall is the concrete is cement concrete is provided. So we cannot consider the whole numbers of pipe. The whole numbers area. So we consider here the half of pi by 4 into d square. Okay. Pi by 4 into square. By mistake here type here 2. So We'll correct here. The pi by 4 into d square. The diameter of the pipe is how much? The inner diameter is 90 centimeter. The outer diameter is how much? The thickness we know. The pipe thickness is how much? Pipe thickness is 10. So 90 plus 10 for plus 10 for another side. So 10 plus 90 plus 10 is equal to 110. Okay. The half into pi by 4 into 110 square is the total value is 2 into 30 into half into pi by 4 into 110 square is equal to 0.133. Okay, the total value of deduction for pipe. So we deduct the total value from the hole and chamfer person. Then we get the total value is for the cement concrete is 0.417 meter cube. So I think you clear about the cement concrete part. Then we going through the 90 centimeter dia, 10 centimeter thick Hume pipe. Pipe numbers 90 centimeter dia and 10 centimeter thick Hume pipe. Here, in case of barrel, how many numbers of pipe is provided? There are only 2 numbers of pipe is provided. So the length of pipe is how much? The length of pipe is 30 centimeter. So the total length of pipe is how much? So we cannot need here the breadth and the height. The already the diameter and the thickness of the pipe is mentioned here. So the direct we calculate the 2 into 30, which is the 30 is the length and 2 is the number of pipe. So total quantity is equal to how much? 0.60. It is the pipe. So its unit is running meter. 0.60 centimeter or 0.60 running meter. Okay, 60 centimeter or we can write here 0.6. Okay, the unit is running meter. Then shuttering for concrete. The shuttering for concrete, the shuttering in case of barrel. Here we provided the concrete. We provided the we provided the concrete. So the concrete is provided in the barrel which need to support or shuttering. Okay. So we calculate for the shuttering for concrete. The how much the both side provided. So both for number is 2 numbers. How much length? Length of shuttering is 30 centimeter. And because the barrel length is 30 centimeter, the breadth is no need. Height of the shuttering is how much? From the bottom to the height. So the barrel height is how much? Barrel height is 70. So the height of the shuttering is 70 centimeter. Okay. The total value of shuttering for concrete is 2 into 30 into 70. Is equal to how much? 0.42 square meter. Okay. First of all, we know the Hume pipe. The unit is running meter and the shuttering unit is square meter and the cement concrete unit is meter cube and the single brick flat soling, which means flooring unit is square meter. Okay. Here the total barrel part is completed, which consists with 30 centimeter length. Okay. Then we going through the quantity for drop wall part. So we know the drop wall is provided in the whole Hume pipe culvert is 2 numbers. The one is upstream side, another one is downstream side. So the total drop wall cross section, we follow the longitudinal section of drop wall and the height or length of the drop wall, we follow the two diagram of upstream side and downstream side of the drop wall. Okay, the remaining part of drop wall of calculation of earthwork excavation, earthwork filling. So we can the remaining part we discuss in the next class. So today time is over. Thank you.